Hello everyone, are you preparing for MSET 2022 and worried about mock test and study material? We are here to help you. Let me tell you that we are going to offer two courses, that is, one is for MSET Agriculture and Pharmacy stream and another one is for MSET Engineering stream, and this course will be equally helpful for both AP and TS MSET students. Now let me give brief idea about MSET and then I will be discussing what we are going to offer in our complete course. As we know, MSET engineering stream consists of three important subjects, that is maths, physics and chemistry. At the other end, MSET agriculture and pharmacy stream consists of four important subjects, that is botany, zoology, physics and chemistry. As we all know that 80 questions will be asked from mathematics and 40 questions will be asked from physics and 40 will be asked from chemistry in MSET engineering stream. At the other end, 40 questions will be asked from botany, 40 questions will be asked from physics, 40 questions will be asked from chemistry and 40 questions will be asked from zoology, which will sum up to 160 marks in both the cases. If you can score 100 out of these 160, that will be considered as very good score in MSET examination. Now what we are going to offer? We are going to offer complete test series and study material for these two, that is we are going to offer chapter wise test series, 5 full length mock test, and if you purchase this, free study material will be available in our app. Now we all know that MSET is a online examination, that is computer based test. We call it as CBT. To make students familiar with this examination, we have designed these chapter wise tests and 5 full length mock tests in such a way that student can attempt actual MSET examination very easily. So it is actually a replica of your actual MSET examination. After attempting the test, you will be getting complete test analysis, that is you will be getting rank, accuracy, percentage of your right answers and the time spent on each question and many other parameters. By using those parameters, you can analyze yourself. So these two things, that is chapter wise test series and full length mock test, you can attempt those two things even on your laptop or desktop. If you don't have the one, you can attempt them on your mobile also. But this study material you can view in our app only. Now students have an important concern, that is, sir, why we should purchase your test series? Let me tell you that last year we have provided only objective questions from this material and this test series, from which many topics were repeated in actual MSET examination. By that you can say that what is the quality of our material is. After looking at these screenshots, you can decide the quality of our material. So what are you waiting for? Please purchase our course right now, which cost only $499. The link is given in description. If you are watching this video on our app, you can click on the thumbnails or you can click on the store to purchase our course. Thank you.